Children, today we will learn about negative sentences. So what is negative sentence? A negative sentence tells us that something does not happen or exist. Sentences which have words like, what are the words? No, not, nothing, and never. In them are called negative sentences. So children, now you came to know what is a negative sentence. A negative sentence tells us that something doesn't happen or exist. Sentences which have words like no, not, nothing and never in them are called negative sentences. Just take an example. I am a musician. This is a positive sentence because the sentence doesn't have no, not, nothing and never. So it is a positive sentence. I am writing here, it is a positive sentence. And how we will make it negative? I am not a musician. Okay, this is negative sentence. So how we made it negative? We include not just after the helping verb am. Okay, it means if we put not just after the helping verbs, we will make it negative. And helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does and did. Okay, and will, shall also. So these are helping verbs, and if we put not just after them, we will make sentence negative. Children, now we will learn how to make imperative sentences negative. So imperative sentences like shut the door. How to make it negative? We will put don't just before the main verb. Don't shut the door. And now it is negative. Don't shut the door. Take another example. Leave the room. So, don't leave the room. Okay, and now it is negative. Well, you can see helping verb is of two words, will, be. So we have placed not between the will and be. It means it is placed after the first one. So in many cases helping verbs are like will have been, shall have been, had been, has been. So in these cases, you will place not just after the first word of helping verb. Okay? Two ways are, first we will write positive sentence, and the sentence is I have a computer. Now how will convert it into negative sentence? First way is I have no computer. In this way you can convert it into negative sentence. I have no computer. And second one is I don't have a computer. Both the ways are correct. You can choose any of them. I have no computer. I don't have a computer. Children, sometimes we use negative words like no, never, none, nobody, nothing, neither, nor, etc. to make negative sentences. So number 4 is we use some negative words like never, none, nobody, nothing, neither to make sentence negative. For example, he always obey his parents. How we will make it negative? We will use never. Opposite of always is never. So he never obeys his parents. Okay? Sorry, obeys. Okay? He always obeys his parents. He never obeys his parents. Number 2, somebody is in the kitchen. So how we will make it negative? We will place nobody. Opposite of somebody is nobody. So nobody is in the kitchen. We will not write like somebody is not in the kitchen. It is not correct way. The correct way is nobody is in the kitchen. Children, rule number 5 is the negative sentence in simple present or simple past is formed with do, does plus not plus base form of verb. Base form means present form or first form in case of simple present tense. And in case of simple past, you will use did, not plus base form of the verb. Here 2 examples are there. Number 1, he speaks politely. So, speaks denotes simple present tense. You will learn it better in the chapter tense. So, because it is a simple present tense, so we will use does not. For singular subject, we use does not, and for plural subjects like they, boys, children, etc., we use do not. Okay? And base form of verb. Here you can see in positive sentence written speaks, but when you are changing it negative, you will use speak. Okay, this is the base form, this is the present form, basic form of the verb. And in sentence number 2, he came very late. Came is past form of come, so it denotes simple past tense, and because it denotes simple past, you will use did plus not plus base form, and base form present form is come. So he did not come very late. Children, you can also use these short forms These are the negative contractions and they are generally used in English language. Okay, so you can use aren't in place of are not, you can use won't in place of will not, and you can use haven't in place of have not, etc. We will make these sentences negative. So first sentence is his memory is sharp. So how we will convert it into negative? We will place not just after the helping verb. So his memory is not sharp. Is not sharp. Okay. Number 2. He has revised his lessons thoroughly. So I had told you earlier that to make a negative sentence, we will place not just after the helping verb. So in this case, helping verb is has. So we will place not just after the has. He has not revised his lessons thoroughly. He has not revised his lessons thoroughly. Okay. Number 3. I am satisfied with your work. So we will place not just after the helping verb, that is am. I am not satisfied with your work. Number 4. Water these plants daily. Recognize this sentence. This is an imperative sentence, and I had told you how to make imperative sentences negative. You will place do not just before the main verb. Do not. So do not or don't, both are correct. So don't water these plants daily. Don't water these plants daily. And in this way you have converted it into negative sentences. Children, fifth sentence is we can stand here and talk. So as we did in case of am, has, do, did, was, were, we will do same for modal verbs. Okay. Modal verbs are, in short, I am telling you, modal verbs are can, could, may, might, okay, ought, to, and will, shall are also used as a modal verb. So we will place not just after the modal verbs. We cannot stand here and talk. Okay, write fast. This is also an imperative sentence because it starts with main verb. When the sentence starts with main verb, it will be an imperative sentence. Okay, all these sentences starts with subject. We, Mr. Mehra, this school, etc. But this sentence starts with main verb. Write fast. So don't write fast. Don't write fast. You can also write can't. Okay, short form of cannot is can't. Mr. Mehra is feeling comfortable today. We will place not after is. Mr. Mehra is not feeling comfortable today. This school has got an RO water plant. So this school has not got an RO water plant. Now move to number 9. So children, number 9 is I had kept those toffees for you. So how we will convert it? I had not kept those toffees for you. And number 10 is these questions are difficult. So these questions are not difficult. We have placed not just after the helping verb, and helping verb is are in this sentence. So these questions are not difficult. In this way we have completed exercise number F. Goodbye children.